Day everyone. In this video, we are going to stop the background apps on Windows 11 computer. So stopping the background apps will make your computer faster. It will also release the load from your CPU. So it is really a good thing to do. And for that, just do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And here, I'll just maximize it. And from the left hand side, you will find the second last option called privacy and security. So I'll click on that. And at the right side, you will find many options like Windows security, find my device. So I'll just scroll down like this. And here you will find an option called app permissions. Now this is a very important part. From here, I would recommend to go each and every application services. For an example, radios. So if you do not want the access, you can simply turn it off. And in the same manner, you can check out other apps as well. Like I'll check the camera and I can turn it off and I can turn it on as well. And you can specifically disable or enable the access for your camera. So let's say if I do not want it for Skype, I can turn it off. Or if I want it, I can turn it on. And it will definitely boost your PC. And I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.